Pay up. Opposition spokesman calls for government to compensate parents who bought GSAT books. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, smooth sailing. Traffic gridlock expected with corporate area state of emergency averted.
Problems looming. Opposition leader points to new challenges that could emerge with roadworks in the capital.
Justice by any means. Church group calls for the police to quickly solve pastor's killing.
Loss and grief. Support group dispatched to Herbert Marson High School following killing of 16-year-old student.
And in business news, transformation. Hilton hotels to be upgraded.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what's your view on the GSAT PEP books issue?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.